Hi BD, welcome back to Time Predicts, and this is another reading. I hope you are doing fine. And let's see what are the messages. Yeah, slip of tongue at the beginning because I was getting the message that you are super excited about something. Something is happening which is making you super excited. Look at the Lovers card, but definitely either a call or something will make you jump with joy. Actually, it's like when you react with sudden disbelief that suddenly something has happened. I am getting disbelief, but let's see what the spirit guides, ascended masters, and my archangels are saying, what messages they want to give to you. Spirit guides, please give me a few messages. Yeah, the World card. You know what I feel with this card? The top of the world. I'm feeling like I'm at the top of the world. I'm comfortable where I am. This is a new chapter. This is a new beginning. The woman has two I would actually say two wands in her hands. It's like magic from both hands, suddenly when things happen. And while I was, thinking, doing this, I was also thinking about the Wheel of Fortune, how it, changes things, moves. Suddenly there's action, there's movement. Probably there was no action or movement, or there was silence, dead silence, and you didn't know what was happening. But this is, being on top of the world, celebrating. I feel 11 could be twin flames, 11 could be important, number 2 could be important, but feeling on top of the world is coming out. And we saw the Lovers card. Spirit guides, please give me a few messages. Yeah, see, communication. You've got a parrot, you've got a bird sitting on your hand, and it's like telling you that somebody is coming home, like somebody's been away, and either you're going to get a call or you're going to get some kind of a message, a text. You feel happy. Look at this. You feel really happy. This is what you have got from them. This is your life also, living a good fine life, believing in your own power, and you feeling happy. I feel your mood is like very settled. No matter what is happening in the love life, or you haven't heard from them, you are so comfortable in your own skin, you are so comfortable and confident, and you feeling great. And now the better news is that you've got a call or a message, or you've got some kind of clarity, maybe that you needed, or some kind of like where they are, or probably a message that they're coming home. Maybe you were living together, or you got separated for some reason, or you haven't seen each other for some reason. But this is actually when somebody comes and tells you, like pigeons, you send pigeons after communication. This is like the almost like the parrot, talking and telling you that that there is good news, or after a long time you've heard from them. And look at the robe, look at everything. This is a fine life, this is feeling on top of the world, things happening for you, and whatever plans you made are actually falling in place, or you making plans and you're happy, if it's job wise or whatever. So no matter how you're feeling in your relationship, you might have had a bad time, or a separation, a fight, or whatever, but you've bounced back. That's a beautiful thing. I think bounced back is the message that I'm getting. You've bounced back again, and you really are that this is my life and I'm very happy in it, and I have one life. I mean, you've got into that kind of a thinking that I'm very happy. Look at this, such a big pentacle. It is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. It's such a big pentacle, and cloud here is always, from the unclear, from being unclear of what's happening in the relationship, or totally being unclear, or I feel totally being cut off. You could have been cut off by the other person. After that, here comes the hand with clarity. Here comes the hand telling you that look at this. I do love you, and you have there is an important place for you in my life, and I really want to be with you. You are my choice. When you say pentacles is always investing in someone. Probably they've been sending you messages, or you've been quiet, and you want to see that till how long they will keep their patience, because that's what you did. You kept sending messages that did not reply anything back. You've got everything together. You've got your act together. That's a beautiful message. So because you've got your act together and things are fine, this is the person coming and telling you, hey, I want to be with you. Look at this, what I have. I'll just show you one card after the other here that I can see is the past, the memories, beautiful memories, cups here, emotions. Also feel somebody from the past who's not been in touch, and you thought they're not going to come back again. They're going to suddenly message you, because after a long time, whatever's happened in their life, they want to come back. You want them back, totally your decision, but anything that's going to happen is going to make you feel on top of the world. And remember, your messages will be different, and your situations will be different because this is a general reading, guys. Whatever, that's why I keep giving more messages. So you know, letters and all, zodiacs, that whatever can resonate more with you. This is celebration. They're going to come looking for you. Look at this. Things are going to be better. You're planning very well. They're planning very well to come to you. While you're planning your life, they're planning to be with you. So while you are okay being alone, you're okay, you know, that this is my value. This is what I have given to myself. Can you give me the same thing? You know, because I'm not going to lower my standards for anything. And look at this at the end of the deck. You've got King of Cups. You've got some kind of a good love message or a good news when it pertains to love or it concerns love. Look at this. The wings, the information, the communication, the person is on their way to talk to you. Look at the cup, totally holding it out, you know. It's like they're almost like given it to you. Look at this. It's not that they secured it in their hand like the pentacles and they're keeping it close to themselves, their feelings or anything. And this is almost like giving it to you. Like almost, I feel, you know, I could see the visual moving. The person is handing it out to you, and that's making me super excited. So there is love, there is, you know, already, and the armor, look at the face, it's open, the helmet. They're ready, you know, it's like that's taking, you know, a risk. When you open something, you can get hit, you know, anything can happen when you're in a battle. But yours is not a battle. It's like they are open and they're risking things, you know. They're like, I have to be with them no matter what now, or I'm going to send that call message, or I'm going to call them. Maybe they call me back or not is fine, but they want to be back with you. Look at this. I'll be right back. And it's written night, so something to do with night. Maybe the person gets active at night, or they're a night person, or you know, they are more active at night, they hate mornings. Yeah, look at this, another pentacle. You could be dealing with an earth sign, you could be an earth sign. We've got, I think we've got a lot of cups. Yeah, we've got a lot of pentacles today. So emotions, okay, emotions, the bond, the value, this is what they want to give you. And this is almost, see, if you see how the pentacles the person is holding, I just noticed, it's almost giving, you know, given, that here it is. It's not that I'm holding it and, you know, I'll take that. It's almost like giving it, handing it out. Here it is, you know, this is what you mean to me. It's like emotions coming out, you know, just saying things now, you know, not holding back. Yeah, that's another message that I give. That I get. I'm getting super excited today. It's a very beautiful reading. I love your power, and I love the fact that you are so confident right now. You focusing on other things while the other person is now focusing on you. That is so beautiful. And look at this, guys. Oh my God, Ace of Cups. How beautiful is this? Like emotions flowing today. You've got water, you've got peace in the relationship. And I have to show you this. Look at this. No wonder I drew it. I actually was thinking that I will give these messages, you know, I'll do another reading and I will give these messages another reading. You have to see this, okay? I wrote the Wheel of Fortune, and look at the symbol. I just drew this before the reading. And look at this, guys. Look at this, how close they are. And I think I have to read out these messages because these messages belong in this reading. And now I got a sign, you know, and this is water flowing. This is roses. This is beautiful clarity. Look at the cup. M or W could be important for you. I mean, look at the sign. I mean, look at this. I mean, the biggest sign that this is the reading. Look at this. Guys, I hope you can see it. So I have to read these out, okay? I wrote the word circuit, something to do with the race car. Speed, I did time lapse, time's running out. See, time's running out, and they know. That's why they're almost handing, you know, they're not taking much time to respond back because they know they will lose you. There's a will to be with you. They'll find a way. There's a will to be with you. So they already have a will to be with you, and they will find a way. I know I've kept the cards back. I was just seeing because, yeah, they have a will and they will find a way. You know, they will find you, and find you is almost like sending messages to wherever, you know, they can, in whichever medium, through whichever medium. 28th and 29th May are important. Okay, 28th and 29th May. And anyway, I wrote this Wheel of Fortune, which means turn of events. Things are going to turn that fast. And look at this. It's going to turn very fast for you, okay? Major turn of events. That's what I wrote. Major turn of events. And I wrote post-it notes. Something to do with post-it notes. Maybe you use them. Maybe you are thinking about post-it notes in some kind of fashion or something. So I got post-it notes also. Let's see what other messages. At the end of the deck, look what you have. Unfinished symphony. Look at the couple, the piano, notes, beautiful. The love story doesn't end here. That's why you've got the cups. That's why you've got pentacles being held like that and almost, you know, handing it out, saying, I want to be with you. Look at this, co-create. You're going to create together, okay? You're going to create a new love story together. You're going to create something, a new life. This is not the end, guys. You could be working together, okay? Could be business partners, but this is co-create. I also feel two different people, okay? And I wrote speed. Remember I wrote speed when I just gave you the messages, and this is a leopard or a cheetah, maybe a cheetah. They're known for, it seems like a leopard or a cheetah, but anyway, both are very, very fast. So this is speed. They know they cannot lose any time, or you know, they cannot lose time because they have to be with you. Otherwise, you're gonna run away. I'm gonna do 5 cards. I'm getting 6 now. 6 cards, 6 zodiac signs. You've got Capricorn, that's an earth sign. You've got Aries, that's fire. You've got Scorpio, water, 3 more to go. You've got Sagittarians, fire. Got 2 more to go. Spirit guys, please give me 2 more messages. You've got Leo. You've got all fire signs here. And you've got Virgo, earth sign. What a beautiful reading, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back in another reading. Thank you so much for listening to me every day. Bye, guys.